This is gravity. See, lift your arm. You feel that pushing down on your skin. It's those little bitty things that are called nothings, I call them. They're hitting against your skin and pushing them down. Between the moon and the earth, the less of them can hit you on top, so that the water looks like it's rising up in the air when the moon goes over, like there's an attraction between the two pulling against each other, trying to pull them together. Really, gravity is the force pushing everything together and everything else apart, because that's what gravity is. These little particles lower than light, and they're like tiny, they're even smaller, they move at infinite speed, so they're everywhere at once. So it's constant, every angle and everything. So the further you are off Earth, the more of them are bouncing between the Earth and you and going through it from the bottom and pushing up on you. Otherwise, if they didn't come through the Earth, where there's in between the electrons and the neutrons, then you'd be crushed right down to it, minus whatever's coming to you from the angles of that roof and a ceiling that's just so thin compared to the Earth and the moon. In other words, if you're on the moon, you can jump further with your same strength at your body size and density, because there's more of that nothing coming through the moon because it's smaller than the Earth is, and the angle is different from the differential where you look past the horizons at every angle at once. So it's coming up like this, and the moon is more like this, and the Earth is like this, and some of them are like this. But also density matters, because the gaseous planets, more of the nothing is in between that gas, and so gravity is relevant to angle and to but anyway, it's just the bouncing around, so I can go like this, and it pushes me back down, son. Get off me! Get off me! And if the moon is above me, less of it hits me, and I can go a little higher. Ah, hit my head! And the water rises.